In other news now, the Police Federation is this evening calling for body cameras for its members who operate in the zones of Special Operations ZOSOs. The matter was raised at today's meeting of the Joint Select Committee reviewing the ZOSO legislation. It's not the first time that there has been a call for police personnel to be equipped with body-worn cameras. The calls are usually made following incidents where cops are accused of using excessive and deadly force. Chairman of the Police Federation, Corporal Rowan James, said the cameras are important.
Our recommendation is that all police officers assigned to the zones of special operation shall be equipped with body-worn cameras as stipulated to the specification of working in these zones.
The cameras would record activities of the security forces while they're on operation. Committee member Lambert Brown had questions.
The issue, however, for me is, why isn't this now being done? I'm aware, I was told that Friendly Nation had made big donations to us. And we thought that this would have been the case when we discussed the ZOSO, that body-worn cameras would be part of the joint team. Why is this not being done? Is it that you're not refusing to wear them? Do you know why? Are you issued with them?
In response, Corporal James said the police have still not received the body cameras.
From what I know is that there are continual dialogue between Commissioner and the Minister, and I'm sure what we do appreciate is that our membership are raring and eager to have this aspect of it, because it will not only assist us in our operational efficiency, but it will enlighten the court's position in arriving at a determination with matters that will appear before the court, and it will also lend itself to effective accountability and transparency.
National Security Minister Dr. Horace Chang said the cameras have been ordered.
Body cams are nothing you buy off the shelves. Those that come off the shelf have demonstrated their inefficiency before. Said body cameras we don't buy off the shelf. I'm saying body cameras on order for the relevant numbers and will be assigned, but